When you are in a comfort zone, you tend to lose your way and slip into a bad lifestyle. I'm sure you can also relate with it. Because of it, I gained a lot of weight over the period of time without even realizing. And I have tried every diet under the sun. And believe me, nothing worked, or even if it worked, it didn't last. Fortunately, I just stumbled upon keto while we were on a trip to US, and it was a foreign concept to me. As an Indian, it was much more harder as our food is very much diversifiedly rich in carbs. Following it in US was okay with salads and meat or protein. It did work wonders on me. But as Indians, we can't survive on salads. I was craving for a roti or a chai. Now the challenge was to keep it lasting by Indianizing it. So I started researching on it and worked with many health experts from US and India and got certified as a keto nutritionist in the process. The problem was not only the food but also the availability of supporting products to keep it tasty as well as lasting. So we started creating our own products such as the keto flours, keto coffee, or keto chai, and many more to support the Indian palate and taste in mind. The results were amazing. Since I have gone through so much, I'm sure there are thousands more who are going through the same problem which I had. So we wanted to extend this goodness of Indian keto to make a difference in everyone's health. Hence, Sugar Swap and my lifestyle, a lifestyle which makes a difference. I'm so proud to tell you, as of today, we serve lakhs of people in India. I have put my 4 years of research and experience to create a formula that will inevitably work, which is simplified into a few hours long course that's easy to understand so you can become the best healthy version of yourself and your own dietitian without having to face any obstacles. My mission is to build the world's largest community of sugar swappers. We have lakhs of people who are seeing the amazing results, thousands of dietitians who are not only using the products but also prescribing them to their clients. My vision is to collectively empower every single person to live a healthier life. See, the entire point of this life is to lead a happy life. But if you are not healthy, then you are not going to be happy. And if you are not happy, your relationships suffer. Then your work in turn suffers and your wealth. That's why we say health is wealth. Ultimately, health is the deciding aspect of whether you will be leading a good, happy life or not.